Which physical quantity is directly proportional to mass and acceleration due to gravity? A. Density. B. Weight. C. Temperature. D. Volume. The correct answer is B. Weight. What describes the length between compressions in a sound wave? A. Frequency. B. Wavelength. C. Vibration. D. Amplitude. The correct answer is B. Wavelength. What identifies the element formed as the product nucleus in a nuclear reaction? A. Its energy level. B. Its atomic number. C. Its neutron count. D. Its mass number. The correct answer is B. Its atomic number. Which device typically forms a real image? A. Rearview mirror. B. Kaleidoscope. C. Plane mirror. D. Pinhole camera. The correct answer is D. Pinhole camera. What undergoes reactions in a chemical process? A. Only physical states. B. Reaction conditions. C. Only products. D. Compounds or elements. The correct answer is D. Compounds or elements. Which of the following is a type of microorganism mentioned? A. Boiling. B. Animals. C. Fungi. D. Plants. The correct answer is C. Fungi. What type of scale is mentioned for measuring height with precision? A. Measuring tape. B. Plastic ruler. C. Meter scale. D. Ammeter rod. The correct answer is A. Measuring tape. What is the main difference between an astronomical and a terrestrial telescope? A. Their magnification power. B. Their ability to erect the final image. C. Their use of mirrors instead of lenses. D. Their objective lens diameter. The correct answer is B. Their ability to erect the final image. Why is Mercury difficult to observe with the naked eye? A. It is too far away. B. It is always behind the sun. C. It is very faint. D. It moves too quickly. The correct answer is C. It is very faint. What type of drug is used to kill stages of the malaria parasite? A. Quinine. B. Paracetamol. C. Antibiotics. D. Aspirin. The correct answer is A. Quinine. Which of the following is not used to measure length? A. Clocks. B. Meter scales. C. Measuring tapes. D. Rulers. The correct answer is A. Clocks. What are the three components that make up an atom? A. Protons, electrons, and ions. B. Protons, neutrons, and molecules. C. Electrons, protons, and compounds. D. Protons, neutrons, and electrons. The correct answer is D. Protons, neutrons, and electrons. How does carbon dioxide react with lime water? A. Turns it clear. B. Turns it acidic. C. Turns it milky. D. Turns it blue. The correct answer is C. Turns it milky. Which of the following is an example of an organism from the Monera kingdom? A. Mushroom. B. Euglena. C. Bacteria. D. Fern. The correct answer is C. Bacteria. In a compound consisting of two unlike atoms, which atom is assigned a negative oxidation number? A. The more electronegative atom. B. The atom that loses electrons. C. The atom that gains electrons. D. The less electronegative atom. The correct answer is A. The more electronegative atom. What is an effect of acid rain on human beings? A. It increases bone density. B. It boosts immune function. C. It irritates eyes and skin. D. It improves vision. The correct answer is C. It irritates eyes and skin. Which compound is identified as the main one in plant cell walls? A. Cellulose. B. Fructose. C. Lactose. D. Starch. The correct answer is A. Cellulose. What term describes the resistance of a body to change its state of motion? A. Inertia of direction. B. Inertia of velocity. C. Inertia of motion. D. Inertia of rest. The correct answer is C. Inertia of motion. What is an example of a tree mentioned as ornamental? A. Jairbara. B. Timber grape. C. Carnation. D. Golden shower tree. The correct answer is D. Golden shower tree. Which concept is discussed in relation to the refractive index of diamond? A. Diffraction. B. Interference. C. Polarization. D. Speed of light. The correct answer is D. Speed of light. A tall plant possesses which pair of factors? A. TT. B. TT. C. TT. D. T and T. The correct answer is A. TT. What is a typical concentration of chlorine used for disinfection during wastewater treatment? A. 50 to 100 mgl. B. 20 to 30 mgl. C. 5 to 15 mgl. D. 0.5 to 1.5 mgl. The correct answer is C. 5 to 15 mgl. Which of the following are the components that make up atoms? A. Protons, neutrons, and electrons. B. Protons, electrons, and ions. C. Protons, neutrons, and photons. D. Neutrons, electrons, and positrons. The correct answer is A. Protons, neutrons, and electrons. When lightning occurs, what is the charge on the lower part of the cloud? A. Variable, depending on atmospheric conditions. B. Neutral. C. Negatively charged. D. Positively charged. The correct answer is C. Negatively charged. Which of the following is a characteristic sign of an acid reacting with sodium carbonate? A. Color change to green. B. Brisk effervescence. C. Decrease in temperature. D. Formation of a solid precipitate. The correct answer is B. Brisk effervescence. What is the key characteristic of permanent hardness of water? A. It requires chemical treatment for removal. B. It is caused by magnesium sulfate only. C. It is easily removed by heating. D. It is a type of temporary hardness. The correct answer is A. It requires chemical treatment for removal. What is the name of the anticoagulating substance produced by leech salivary glands? A. Hirudine. B. Hemetin. C. Hylase. D. Heparin. The correct answer is A. Hirudine. Which space agency became the fourth to reach Mars by launching Mangalyaan? A. European Space Agency. B. Roscosmos. C. NASA. D. ISRO. The correct answer is D. ISRO. Pteridophytes are characterized by having what dominant phase? A. Sporophytic. B. Embryonic. C. Gametophytic. D. Zygotic. The correct answer is C. Gametophytic. What formula is used to calculate speed? A. Speed is equal to distance covered plus time taken, 2. B. Speed is equal to distance covered time taken. C. Speed is equal to distance covered asterisk time taken. D. Speed is equal to time taken distance covered. The correct answer is B. Speed is equal to distance covered time taken. How did you score?